Hi, my name is Reena and I'm working as a project manager. I recently attended Advanced Certified Scrum Product Owner course by Learnovative in the month of April, and the trainer was Vijay Bandaru. I personally found the course really very useful for product owners, product managers, business analysts, etc. The course content which was delivered by Vijay Bandaru was really very informative, and the workshop was absolutely a zero PowerPoint training session, and there were many advanced topics like backlog refinement, advanced backlog refinement, stakeholder management, etc. I personally recommend this training, A-CSPO, and Vijay Bandaru. I highly recommend that trainer because I am really amazed by the level of knowledge he has on this topic.